The Boomer 1030 is the perfect choice for homeowners who want greater power and performance in a small package. Available at 28 engine horsepower, the Boomer 1030 delivers the perfect balance of comfort, convenience, and capability. Don't let the compact dimensions and great maneuverability fool you into thinking the Boomer 1030 is just another small tractor. Demo the 1030 and you'll be amazed by the additional capabilities you receive from a little more horsepower and a slightly larger frame. Together, these small differences give the Boomer 1030 big advantages over other small tractors. From mowing the front yard to cutting a few acres, moving dirt, rocks, mulch, or straw, spreading gravel and grading the driveway, clearing snow, digging trenches and putting in fences, the Boomer 1030 gives you the power to do the job right and have fun at the same time. When you test drive a Boomer tractor, you'll immediately notice the best-in-class visibility. The innovative styling of the Boomer line, with the sloping hood and curved boom loader, gives you fantastic visibility for loader work or any application. As a matter of fact, you can get up to 60% closer to a stationary object with a Boomer compact compared to the competition. You'll be amazed how this additional visibility makes your chores faster, easier, and safer. When you're working late into the evening or getting an early start, you'll really appreciate the fantastic lighting package on the Boomer 1030. 4 powerful halogen headlights illuminate the front and front corners of the tractor, plus an optional rear work light make New Holland's lighting package the best in the business. Another big difference in Boomer tractors is the superior ergonomics of our operator station. It all starts with our high-backed, contoured operator seat. Plus, the seat moves on an inclined track to provide perfect position and outstanding visibility for operators of any size. But that's not all. Every aspect of the operator station is designed for great ergonomics. From the closed platform and non-slip operator's deck to the easy-to-read dash, New Holland thought of it all. Other conveniences include standard foldable ROPs, retractable seatbelt, cup holder, 12-volt accessory power outlet, and toolbox. With the Boomer 1030, you receive best-in-class comfort and convenience. You'll also find the Boomer 1030 is incredibly easy to operate. The 2-range hydrostatic transmission allows you to find the right speed for any task and is very easy to drive. Our 2-pedal design uses separate pedals for forward and reverse. Plus, a left side brake pedal is positioned perfectly for comfortable control. Integral hydrostatic power steering finishes off a design sure to result in comfortable operation and less fatigue. You'll also appreciate the convenient differential lock located behind your heel, which locks together the rear wheels for additional traction on rough or slippery ground. Another important convenience feature is New Holland's optional state-of-the-art SensiTrack clutch. This technology, available only from New Holland, automatically engages and disengages 4-wheel drive without any operator input to give you maximum traction while protecting your turf. Plus, SensiTrack can help you save fuel and reduce wear and tear on your front tires and driveline. Together, these great driveline features provide the best combination of performance and convenience. Next, the Boomer 1030 easily handles a wider variety of implements to help you tackle almost any project. All Boomer tractors are designed with hydraulic systems that deliver maximum flow to the front loader, rear hitch, and hydraulically powered implements. Then, our Deluxe Category 1 hitch, integrated into the durable cast iron rear axle, enables you to use all kinds of powerful rear-mounted implements like rotary mowers, rototillers, box blades, and backhoes. Attaching the implements is a cinch, as the 3-point comes with adjustable stabilizers, and that's not all. Up front, the Boomer 1030 can handle a variety of blades